Thank you. Okay, see, 37 into 66. This is our question, right? I'm converting this question like 37 into 33 into 2. Yes or no? Both are same or not?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
both
sir.
are
For the first
Because
two
33
numbers,
into 2 is
for the
66.
first two numbers, we can use that technique. Yes or no? So the first numbers are common. 3 is common. 3 multiply with the next number 4. 3 4s are
Sir, 12.
12. And then units place product. 3
7
7s
3
are
is
21.
12 21. We have to double it. So doubling of 12 21 will be 2 4 4 2. That's all. That's the answer.
Sir, I didn't get it. Can you explain again?
Okay, see, I'm making 66 like 33 into 2.
Okay, sir.
Okay, now see the first two numbers 37 and 33. Are these two numbers are in the previous case or not?
Yes, sir. They are.
Yeah, I'm using the previous shortcut to get this multiplication, and after getting the result, I'm just doubling the number. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. So 1 second, what is there in that chart box?
Sir, can you please explain again?
Okay, I'll explain some other
Sir,
question.
Toshnika is saying join late due to internet connection.
Okay, okay. Okay, right. I'm taking some other questions. See, like 48 into 26. Okay, how can we convert this question?
Sir, we should do into 2.
Yeah, we can write to 48. No. We can write to 48 like 2 into 24 into 26.
26.
Okay, first we'll do this part because these two comes under our category. So tell me, 2 common number is 2, multiply with the next number successor. 2 3 is
2 3 is 6.
6. Next 4 6 are
24.
24. Simply double this number. 600 double is 1200. 24 double is
100 plus 2 again 1400.
Sir,
1400.
1 to 4 end.
Sir,
no, not
1400.
12,000, 1248. 1248. That's all.
Good.
Okay. 600
So
double
versus
is
your
1200.
topic.
24 double is 48. 1248. That's all.
Sir,
Now-
why did we take 24, sir?
Try to render
Why we
the
have taken 24 is comparing with this number, which number we can convert into our
Sir,
previous
24
model.
just because we have to divide 48 with 2.
Yeah, to make this question satisfying these two conditions, units place adding to 10, units place 10, and the remaining number same. To make this question satisfying these two conditions, I'm making this 24. I'm making 48. I have written that 48 like 2 into 24. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
So was this the only thing taught till now, sir? Because I joined late due to network issues.
You remember the last class?
Or the last class of yeah, sir. I barely remember that. I'll just open my notebook.
One second.
Yeah.
This is our last class. Remember? Units place adding to 10.
Yes, sir. Yeah, I do remember. Yeah, I do remember.
Units place adding to 10 and remaining number same. Then
Yes.
we'll do the common number will multiply with the successor number. 4 5s are 20.
Yes.
And 3 7s are 21.
Yeah,
here.
I do remember.
Common number 6 will multiply with the successor. 6 7s are 42 and 2 8s are 16. And today we are going to see the extension of this model. So what is that extension is? If like if a question is given like 66 into 37, I'll make 66 like 33 into 2, correct?
Yes, sir.
33 2s are
Okay.
66, right?
Yeah, sir.
And 37, another number is 37. So that these two numbers comes under our shortcut.
Okay. So you're going to convert it like the method we know, and then you're going to
Yes.
solve it.
Hmm.
Okay.
So first we will do up to this part. So it will be 3 successor is 4, 3 4s are 12, and 3 7s are 21. And later we'll double it. Okay. Right.
Sir, for the exercise, I can't give my name, sir. My keyboard is not working. So if I press space bar, it is going enter, sir. That's why by mistake it came H. Like that.
Okay. 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 Now you can give your names.
Sir,
There are
how
10
should I
questions.
give, sir, my keyboard is not working.
Okay. I'll consider that H. H is for Ritvik. Okay.
Ritvik Nirmala.
RN. RN. Today RR is not there.
No, sir. Sir, it's not there.
Okay. H. RN.
Sir, you have to use this method only, right, sir? Which you just showed.
You have to use this method only. You need to convert it into or by one more than the one before.
Okay, sir. We can do both the methods, sir.
Which both the methods means?
Sir, Ekadikena and this one also, sir.
Ekadikena and by one more than the one before. Both are same.
Okay.
A Srishti. E Yadharth. B Mahavir. Show pronounce C. F Satvika. I Toshnika. J Aditi. Yeah, is it I Ahana?
We don't have a separate Vedic maths notebook.
Sir, which number in these both are we supposed to, split, sir?
Your wish. That is your wish. You may double this number to make it to convert to use that shortcut, or you may half it this number, or you may
Okay.
divide any number by 3 or 4. You can do anything. Just you have to
Okay, sir.
convert these two numbers to come into our shortcut. G Ahana, okay.
Currently don't have a separate Vedic maths book.
You can. I think it is better to take better to keep a book separate book.
Sir, I just have a small concern. Can I just shift my number to D? Because, sir, I'm slightly confused with this problem of I. Can I shift mine to D?
Why?
It's confusing, sir.
It
I'm
will be
unable to
clear.
do it.
Okay, Toshnika, very good in taking this question. Okay.
First, I thought I would solve it, but it's not.
No problem, no problem. Stay to this question.
I will shift my bit because I'm also a little bit confused.
No,
Yes, sir,
no.
even me, sir.
Wait.
Sir.
All of you, wait. Dhanyasri, can you do D? Dhanyasri.
How can I take I?
Sir,
I
can you
not-
explain it again? Because my answer is coming different from the real answer.
Dhanyasri, D, okay?
Okay, sir, I will check.
Okay.
Sir, I should take the shortcut of 66.
What is that? Okay, Toshnika. Don't be panicky. Be cool.
No, so once I asked you, everyone was like, I also want to shift. So I was like, minus 3 digits. So I'm asking. to shift.
Stay with that question.
Sir, who
Better.
I'll ask are there's everybody says 3-digit only, sir. Who I'll ask?
Okay, no problem. Everyone will get the
Sir,
answers.
can you explain of 2 and 3 digits?
So can you explain a 3-digit sum?
Okay,
sir?
okay.
Am I-
Ahana, your question, there is a mistake in your question. I am correcting it. I'm making it correct. Actually, this is 202. That is not 20. That is 202. 202.
Sir, can you explain 2 digits number, sir, again?
Yeah,
Can you explain one 3-digit?
yes. I'll explain one 3-digit number. Later, you can do those questions also. See.
Sir, can you do of 2 digits also?
Wait.
Yes, sir, please.
Don't interrupt. Wait. Just wait. See, I'm taking any question like 91 into 99, suppose. Okay. Is this question in our category? Can we apply our
Yes,
shortcut?
sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
because units place adding to 10 and the remaining number is same. So 9 successor is
Sir, 10
successor.
is 90. Sir, 90.
10. 9 tens are 90. First half is over. To get the second half. In the second half, we need to reserve how many positions?
Sir, 2, sir, because
Positions.
the
And those
base
2
will be
positions we have
100.
to fill by.
0, 9, 0. Sir, we
Yes,
write
9
0,
ones
9.
are 9 actually, but we have to keep it as 0, 9. Okay.
Sir, can you do like if it is 71 into 63?
Sir, I'll give you a question I'm not understanding.
Wait. 70.
1 into 63.
Sorry.
Sir, can you
71
give
into
like
63.
60?
This will not comes under our shortcut. This will not.
Okay, sir, do like. Sir, you can give one more sum which is not same like my questions are 64 into 38. I'm not able to find the answer.
Sir, the numbers should not be same, and like we need to like reduce it like 33 multiplied by 2 by
The
like
number which is not
Okay.
adding up to 10.
Okay. Wait. Let me explain 3 digit into 3 digit first. Okay. Later we'll see all those things. Sir. So is it clear? What is there in that box?
Yes.
There in this box? Is
Sir,
it
I
clear?
didn't understand the 1 into 9,
Yes,
sir. You wrote 0, 9.
So remember
Yeah, but-
this. Wait. Let me explain one by one doubt. Let me clarify one by one doubt. Okay. First half, you may get 1 digit or 2 digit or 3 digit. No issue. But in the second half, compulsory, you should write 2 digit number, like 2 digit number. Okay. After multiplying 1 and 9, you are getting 9 ones are 9 only. It's a single digit. To make it double digit, I'm writing 0, 9.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now see the 3 digit by 3 digit number.
Can you take some odd digit, odd number?
Wait. 391, 309, 98. Okay, I'll take a question which is not there in this list. That's what I'm searching.
Sir, 694 into 312.
Okay, wait. 501 into 599. Okay. See here, if units place is adding to 10 is okay, but the remaining number is not same, correct? Yes or no?
yes, sir.
Units place is adding to 10, but the remaining number is not same. In that case, we have to see last 2 places adding to 100 or not.
Yes, sir.
Last 2 places are adding to 100 and the remaining number is same or not?
Yes, sir, they are same.
Yeah. So now see, what is the successor of 5?
Sir, 6, sir, it will be
Sir,
30.
30.
Sir,
After
30.
writing 30, wait. Let me explain. After writing 30, because in the previous case, units place is adding to 10, we have reserved only 2 positions. Because in this also we have 10 and in this also we have 10. 10 tens are 100 means it consists of 2 zeros, 2 positions. But see here, here the last 2 places we are considering means 100 becomes 100 into 100 becomes 4 zeros. Now we need to reserve 4 positions, and don't need to consider all these points. If
Sir,
the last-
I need to sir, why should we multiply 100 multiplied by 100?
that's what I'm telling. No need to consider all those points. So simply remember this: if the units place is adding to 10, units place is adding to 10, then reserve 2 positions. 2 positions. If the last 2 places sum is 100, if the last 2 places sum is 100, then reserve 4 positions. Remember this point simply. Okay. So 5 is the common number. If you multiply with this next number, so 5 6 are 30. After writing 30, we need to reserve 4 positions, and those 4 positions we have to multiply. We have to fill up by multiplying these 2. 99 one time is how much?
99, sir.
99, but we have to write it as a 4 digit number. 0099. Easy?
Sir, when I'm doing the
Sir,
Sir, I didn't understand. Sir, can I say a question?
Sir,
Wait,
once again, can you scroll up? I'll just check my question.
Sir, I didn't understand.
Sir, I have a doubt in 2 digits. If the question is 68 into 38, then how should we do?
Wait. Network is weak.
Sir, my answer is different but from my question, my answer.
Jayit, what is your problem? Where you are not understanding?
Sir, actually, I'm not able to understand.
Are you there in the last class?
Internet issues I left in the middle, sir. That's what.
Okay. So
Sir,
actually these two questions are enough to understand what is happening here, what is there. So see,
Sir,
Sir, before 10-20 minutes I left, sir. That's why I didn't understand. I'm not getting.
okay. So yeah, in the last 10-20 minutes only, I told all these points only. If the last place is adding to 10, after writing first half, you need to reserve 2 positions. If the last 2 places are adding to 100, then after writing the first half, you need to reserve 4 positions. Okay, and whatever may be the number of positions, you have to fill up those positions by the multiplying these two. 1 9s are 9, but a double digit. So to make it double digit, 0 9. So here 99 ones are 99. But
Sir, how you got 90?
Sorry.
How you got 90, sir?
Okay, this 90. Okay. So here the common number we have to multiply with its successor. So 9's successor is
10.
10. 9 10s are 90. Here 5's successor is
Sir, 5 6.
6. 5 6 are 30. Okay, common number multiply with the next number.
Okay, sir.
Right.
38. After that thing.
After that,
that
we
thing-
need to reserve 2 positions or 4 positions. We need to decide that.
Sir, after that 90, how you got 09, sir?
That is what I am telling. After writing 90, we need to reserve 2 positions. We need to reserve 2 positions, and those 2 positions we have to fill up by 1 9s are 9. 1 into 9 is only 9 we are getting because it's a single digit. To make it a double digit, I am writing 09.
09. Okay,
Okay.
sir.
But it will be different.
Sir, so 99 ones is 99 last
Yeah,
digit
99
0.
ones
Okay,
is
sir.
99 only, but we need a 4 digit number. How to
Okay,
make
sir.
it 4
Sir, I
4
understood,
digit?
sir.
Yeah, 0099.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, I have a doubt in 68
Tell me,
into 38.
which one?
Sir, 68 into 38.
68 into 38. 68
Yes,
into
sir.
38. Where is that? 68.
There is no question here, sir. I have a doubt.
68 into 38. Will it comes under our question, our category?
No, sir.
No, then why to discuss this question here?
But sir, my question I am not understanding, sir. 64 into 38.
Sir, even mine is like
Which
that
one?
only.
Which one? First one?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I'm getting answer as 916 into 2.
See, 64, all of you see here. 64, can I write this? Wait. 64, can I write this number like 2 into 32?
Yes, sir.
Then after that number is 38.
38.
Now you can
Sir,
use
then
the
I
shortcut
multiply
for
both
these two.
32 into 38.
Sorry?
Sir, then I multiplied 32 into 38.
Yeah, first you
Which I
multiply
got the
32 into 38. Later double that number. Okay, what is the product of these two? 32 into 38?
Sir, 32
Three.
and 38.
Hmm.
1216.
Yes, 1216. Then multiply, sorry, double this number.
2432.
That's all. 2432.
Sir, can you explain this F bit?
Sorry?
Sir, can you
Somebody
explain
asking
the F1?
Which one? F?
I'm not getting the answer, the correct answer.
Which one? F?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we'll see. Wait. Mahavir, are you ready?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Carry on.
Yes, sir. Sir, so it is 88 multiplied by 46. Sir, so we can write it as 44 multiplied by 46. Sir,
Okay,
which will be multiplied by.
Wait. We have to make this 88 like 2 into 44 first.
Yes, sir. 2 into 44
You have
multiplied by
not
40.
explained how you got that 44.
Sir, that only was telling, sir.
Okay.
Sir, then, first we'll multiply 44 multiplied by 46.
Okay.
Sir, which is, sir, 4 successor is 5. 4 multiplied by 5 is 20.
Okay.
Sir, then 6 multiplied by 4 is 24.
Okay.
Sir, now we need to double it. So we'll get 4048.
4048. Very good. Correct. Show Pranav. Ready?
Sure.
Hmm.
So first we should do 2 into 16.
No. 2 into 16.
Yes, sir.
2 into 16 is 32, na? Where is 32 here?
Okay. Sir,
Okay, do
Sorry,
here.
I think you
33, keep it as it is. 33, keep it as it is. 74
Sir, it
by
is
2 is how
divisible
much?
by 3.
By 2.
Sir, first we need 37.
Wait. Let Pranav respond. Show Pranav. 74 by 2 is how much?
So 74 by 2. So
70 half is?
70 half. Sir, 55.
No, 35.
35.
Okay, 4 half is?
Sir, 4 half is 2.
2. 35 plus 2?
Sir,
37. Means we can write this 74 like 37 into 2. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So first you do this part.
Okay, sir.
Use that shortcut. 3
Yes, sir.
multiply with its successor. 3 4s are
Sir, 12.
12. 3 7s are
21.
Sir, 21.
simply double it.
Okay, sir.
Answer.
Sir,
Digit by digit you can do.
4,442.
2 4 4 2. That's all.
yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Digit by digit also you can do. Dhatri.
Excuse me, sir. I'm not getting this question, sir.
Okay.
Sir, can I do it?
So now I understood, sir.
So you are thinking this question like 33 into 2, right?
Yes, sir.
Better try this. 3 into 22.
Yes, sir.
Then it is already 28. Yes or no?
Sir, now nothing, sir.
Wait, Mahavir. Dhatri, are you okay with this?
Yes, sir. But how did you get 22, sir?
66 is 3 22s are 66 only.
Okay, sir.
I have written
Sir,
66
but why
like
did
3
we
into
divide
22.
it by 3, sir? We are dividing it always by 2.
We are
right?
dividing that 66 by 3. It will be 22.
Sir, but here it's coming 3 multiplied by 22, so we can't do anything to satisfy.
Always it may not be 2. It can, sometimes it can be 3 also. Okay. First you do this. 2 multiply with its successor. 2 3s
Yes, sir. 3 3s are 6, sir.
Okay. 2 8s are
2 8s are 16.
16. Now you have to triple this number.
Sir, instead we can also double that number, then add 16.
Yes, correct. Or you can do in this way also. 600 3 times is?
Sir, 600 3 times it's 1,800.
1800. 16 3 times is?
Sir, 16 3 times it's 48.
So 1848. That's all.
Yes, sir.
Sir, can you
Dhatri, okay?
How?
Sorry, Dhanyasri. Actually, this is Dhatri, right?
No, sir. Then yes.
Dhanyasri only. Okay. There are 2 persons, Dhatri and Dhanyasri, in our class.
No, sir, only Dhanyasri.
No, I saw Dhatri also.
Sir, I think you saw in some other class.
Yes, sir, I think. No one is there, Dhatri.
Okay. Dhanyasri. Okay.
That's
So, 616 multiplied by 3, how will we get the answer as 1846? Sir?
Okay, I'll explain that. 616 into 3, right? So this is 6, but this is 16. This is 600, right? This is 6, this is 10, and it is 600. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, correct? Okay, 600 3 times is?
Sir, 1800. I
Wait,
mean,
wait.
1800.
Wait. Dhanyasri, respond. 600 3 times is?
1800.
1800. If you can do 16 threes directly, you can do. Otherwise, 10 threes
10 3s are 30.
30. 6 threes
6 3s are 18.
18. Adding all 18, 48.
Okay, sir.
Right. Yadharth, ready?
Sir, you wrote here 1840.
Sorry, 1846 written. Is it 1846 or 1848? So 16 threes are 48. Sorry, it is 1848 only. Yadharth,
Excuse me, sir. I still didn't get it, sir. How are you doing, sir?
not getting?
No, sir.
Okay, 36 into 78. That is your question. 36 into 78.
Sir, we can't see the exercise.
Sir, 78 we can divide into 2, sir. 39 will get.
39, but it will not match to our shortcut, right?
Okay, sir.
Sir, we need 34 for the shortcut.
We have to convert
Yes,
this
sir.
question to apply as so that we can apply the shortcut. So see, I'm writing 36 like 72 by 2. Can I write it as 72 by 2?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Then multiply 78. First you do this, and later you divide that number by 2. Later you do it half.
Okay,
Yadharth,
sir.
do this.
Okay, sir.
Sir, in
7
this
plus
question, we're satisfied. Sir, normally, like, we satisfy 36, but like for 36 we do, but now we are doing for the greater number.
Okay. Yadharth, respond. 7 successor
Yes,
is
sir. Sir, 8, sir. 7 8 is 56, sir.
56. Then 2 8s are
Sir, 8 2 is 16, sir.
16. So do it half.
Yes, sir.
56 half is
So,
50 half is
Sir,
25.
sir,
25.
25. 6 half is
Sir, 3,
Three.
sir.
so 25 plus 3
Sir,
28.
28.
Then 16 half is
Sir,
Sir,
8.
8.
actually 8. We have to write it as 08.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So this is our answer 2808.
Okay, sir.
Right. Next question. Satvika, ready?
Sir, even I didn't get.
Okay.
Sir, can I try?
Who?
Sir, I'm Aditi.
Abhi?
Aditi.
Aditi. Okay. You have already your
I've
question,
already
right?
got the question.
Okay. Just tell me what we can do here. Question number F.
Sir, 2 and 3, sir.
Sir, I think,
Wait. Aditi. Tell
sir,
me.
I think we should write 54 by
Sir?
52 by 2 into 54. Is that correct?
Sir, can I tell? Sir, 46 by 2 multiplied by 54 by 2.
Very good. Very good. 46 by 2 is how much?
Sir, it is, sir, 46 by 2 is 23.
It means we
54
can
by 2
write
is
this number like 2 into 23.
27.
Correct? 46.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Satvika, now you
Sir,
can
I was
come
telling
to the
that
line.
only we can take shortcut method.
Then 54, how can we write this number?
27 into 2.
27 into 2. So first you do this part.
Okay, sir.
Later
I
you have to
have
double
2
it
minutes.
twice. Carry on. 23 is
Sir, we have
23 into
to first
27.
plug
First
in.
you do that.
Sir, 6 to 1.
62.
No. 2 multiply with the next number. 2 3s are
621.
6. 3 7s are 21. 621, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. The middle part is 621. You have to double it twice. One time double is how much?
1 to 4
Sir,
to
1 to 4 to. Sir, 1 to
42. And again double is
Sir, 2482. Sir, 2484.
248.
484.
4.
Yes, sir.
That's all. That's the answer. You can ignore intermediate answers.
Sir, I didn't understand 3 numbers. No, Pranav.
Sir,
Sorry?
these questions are coming all tricky.
Understood, sir. F1.
F1.
Yes,
So
sir.
46 into 54. That is the given question. Here I am writing 46 like 2 into 24. Sorry, 23. Correct?
Yes, sir.
And I am writing 54 like 27 twos.
Okay, sir.
Okay. First I am doing this multiplication because we can apply our shortcut. Units place is adding to 10 and tens place remaining number same. The common number I am multiplying with the next number. 2 is common. 2 multiply with the next numbers. 3, 2 3s are 6.
Sure.
And 3 7s are 21. 621 is the middle product.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
So
what
we
is
have
the
to double it
difference?
twice. One time and 2 time. Double.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Sir, means we'll get the answer.
Sorry.
Sir, means we should do 621 plus 621.
No. Yes. 621. You have to double it twice. Means one time double is 1242. And second time double is
So 2000.
2484. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then Ahana.
Yes, sir. In the given numbers at the last 2 digits, 98 plus 2 is 100. So we can leave 4 places at the last.
Okay.
Now 2 successor is 3. So 2 multiplied by 3 is 6. And 98 multiplied by 2 is 196. But at the thousands place, as there's no number, we write a 0. So it is 60,196.
Excellent. Very good. So 98 twos are 196 only, but it's a 3-digit number. To make it 4-digit, 0196. Very good. Then Ritvik N.
Yes, sir. We have 3 and 3 which we can use, and 91 plus 9 is 100. So we can do, sir. 3 into 4 is 12, sir. And then if we do 91 into 9, we will get 809. But we need a extra 0, so we'll keep 0.
How you have done this? Done that 91 into 9?
Sir, 91 into 9 is 800.
How you have done that? How you did that? See, 99 times is how much? 99 times.
Sir, I think before you taught us like
810,
for
right?
9.
810, correct? 99 times.
I didn't get your question.
Sir, 819.
Wait. Let Ritvik understand. 91 9 times we are doing, right?
Sir, I did 9 nines are, and then I did 1 nines are, sir.
Okay, simply 819, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. But how to write that number?
Sir, 0819.
0819. Very good.
Sir,
Now,
I thought my
think,
thing was wrong.
sorry? Your question is not wrong.
I thought it was wrong, sir. My answer.
No. Soshnika, now you are clear, I think.
No, sir. Like
No.
I'm stuck. I'm unable to, like, I first got this 7 this thing. So 7 into 8.
Okay.
which is
7
56.
successories.
8, so 56.
So it's a 56. After that, we need to reserve how many positions?
Sir, 4.
Wait, remaining persons, wait. 4 positions, right? Because when we are adding last 2 positions, the sum is 100. That's
100. Yes.
so we need to reserve 4 positions, and those 4 positions we have to fill up by 95 5s.
95 Pfizer.
95
Sir,
5
we
times.
can do 9 5s are, and then Oh, okay.
See, 95 into 5. Instead of multiplying by 5, we have a shortcut. We can just divide it by 2.
Yeah, sir, we can.
Yeah. 9
But
2s are, sorry, 2 4s are 8. Now it is 15. Yes or no?
Result is in decimals, sir. Yeah, okay.
Wait. It is 15. Now in 15, how many times the 2 will go?
2, I think 7s are units, right?
7 times. Now what is the remainder?
1.
If 1 is the remainder, last digit will be 5. 475.
Okay.
We already completed this multiplication by 5, 25, 125.
Yes, sir, we did that.
Okay.
Hmm.
Then how to write that number 475?
Okay, 560,475.
Correct. 475.
Okay, yeah, I got this thing. Okay, sir, I got it.
Right. Aditi.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
So the both numbers last two digit is 99 and 1. So 99 plus 1 is their sum is 100. So we'll leave four positions. Then in the 401 problem, we'll just increase the number. So 5 fours are 20.
Okay, 20. After that?
So 99, we'll write 3 zeros.
3 zeros?
Yes, sir.
No. I need 4 digits only. Already we have 99 means
Oh,
2
sorry,
digits
sir.
already.
2 zeros. Sir,
Yeah,
2
2
zeros.
zeros, then 99.
99 into 1 is 99.
99. That's it. So actually, after getting 99 ones are 99, we have to make it 4 digit, means 0099.
Yes.
Yeah, Ritvik, any doubt?
yes, sir. Sir, for the I1, sir, sir, we have to do 95 into 5, right, sir? Like for mine, I did 9 into 9 and 1 into 9, right, sir? We
Yes,
can
sir.
do the same here also, right?
Sorry, 1 second.
We can do the same here also.
95 into 5. Tell me.
Yes, sir. For mine, how I did is I did 9. I can do like 9 into 5 and then 5 into 5, right, sir?
Yeah, you even in that way also you can do. So see, 5 9s are 45,
Yes, sir,
and 5 5s
45.
are 25, and even now also you get the same answer,
Okay, sir.
470.
I just had a doubt. Do we have to do this also in Vedic method?
No. Actually, in any way you can do. That is your comfort. Whatever you feel comfortable, you can go with that.
Okay,
But
sir.
you have to learn all the things first. Okay. Then we'll see the reverse sutra for this. The reverse sutra is first by the first and the last by the last. First by the first and the last by the last. Okay. Ready?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir. What is our last sutra? Previous sutra? Like number 42 into 48. Means here, units place adding to 10 and the tens place is same, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah, what is the reverse of this is tens place is adding to 10 and now units place is same. This is the condition.
Sir? Sir, so like
Okay,
sir,
sir.
so the units place is same and the remaining digits sum is like 10, 100 or something.
So, sir, you're going to do the same thing which we did for the tens place previously to the units one. Like you're going to add
units place is adding to 10, but now it is now the questions
yes,
are
sir.
like
So what you're going to do is, are you going to add?
So are we doing like 4 multiplied by 5?
Wait, Mahavir, wait. Tell me, Toshnika.
So are we going to do it like 4 successor, which is 5, 4 5s are 20, and then
No. I have not explained the procedure. Just I am giving the question model, question pattern.
So I'm just
So,
guessing. Are we going to do it that way?
Okay. See how to do these type of questions is here I'm writing condition. Number 1 is tens place 10. Sorry, tens place sum is 10. Tens place sum is 10. And second point is units place same. Units place same. This is the condition. Okay. So if this condition applies, then how to answer this question is What is the product of tens place numbers?
Sir, 10.
Tens place numbers product. 2 8s are.
Sir,
I'm not asking sum. I'm asking product.
16.
2 8s are 16. What is the number which is there in units place?
Sir,
4.
4. So after multiplying these two, after getting that 16, you have to add this 16 to this number. Okay, 16 plus 4 is how much?
20.
20. With this first half is over. With this first half is over. Okay.
So why can't we do it like, see, so now below 4, we have one more 4, right? So why can't we just multiply, I mean, add that also? Anyway, both are 4 only.
No.
So now we
I'm
have-
telling, what is the common number? We have to add that common number. That's all.
Okay,
What is the
anything
common number?
common.
4. 1 4 only we have to add.
Sir, if there are no common numbers in that
Then in this case will not come
And
here.
this space will not work. According to
This
this space,
case, this case will not be applicable.
yes, sir.
Sir,
Okay, then second part. See, second part. Second part is very easy. Simply 4 4s are 16. That's all.
Sir, I didn't understand first part.
Sir, 4 4s are 16.
Okay, first part I will explain again. See. So multiply the tens place digits. 2 8s are 16. Then add the common number. What is the common number? 4 is the common, right?
Yes, sir.
So 16 plus 4 is 20.
Okay, sir. First we should multiply and we should add.
Yes. First multiply
Okay,
these
so
two.
the answer will be
sir, I
Then add
didn't
the units place.
understand first side.
I'm giving one more question. See,
Sir, 38 and 48.
No, sir, 26 and 86.
wait.
Sir.
My pen stuck.
94 and 84.
1 second.
94 and 84, it won't match.
Sir, you can take 28 and
54 and 98.
Sir, 52 and
1
58.
second. My pen stuck. Wait.
94 and 98.
Okay,
Sir,
tell me.
52 and Sir, 52 and
90.
52.
Sir,
97 into
50.
17. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
So now tell me the first tens place digits product is
Sir,
how much?
Sir, 9. Sir, 9 plus 7 is
Sir,
yes, sir.
Sorry. It is not 9
Sir,
plus 9 plus 1.
sir,
10.
9 into 1 is 9, sir.
9 into 1 is
common
9.
number
We have to
is
add
7.
this number.
Yes, sir.
Sir, it will be 16.
16.
Yes,
After
sir,
getting
it's
16, simple. 7 7s are 49.
49.
Okay.
Sir, this is
And
simple, sir.
let me give you one more question. Later we'll go to the exercise. See, one more question.
Okay, sir.
51 into 59. Sorry. Units place is same, right?
The unit space, yeah.
Sir, too easy, sir.
Sir, but here the common number is not, there's no common number.
Wait. 44 is okay already. 42 into then 62. Correct?
Yes, sir, we can.
Tens place is adding to 10 or not?
Yes, sir.
And units place is same.
Yes, sir.
Now tell me, 4 6 are
Sir, for 6 are 24. 24 plus
Add 2 means 4, 26.
26. But 2 2s are 4. Don't write simply 4.
0, 4.
Yes,
0,
very
4.
good. After that, in the second half, we need 2-digit number. So we have to write it as 0 4. If you are getting a single digit, make it double digit. 0 4.
Sir, 1 minute.
You're checking in calculator.
Sir, done, sir. Sir, done.
Okay. All right. Now you can give your names. There are 10 questions.
Sir, can you give for me D, sir? My thing is not getting enter. I was pressing enter.
D.
Yes, sir.
Okay. D is for Ritvik N. Don't take anyone.
Sir, can I tell
Sir,
my-
Shivapranav A. Sir,
okay.
Shivapranav A.
Sir, excuse me, sir. I said multiple times because many of them took my chance. So that's all.
Okay. No issue.
Sir, first we should do multiplication, no, sir?
Dhanushree B.
First means
Sir, E Aditi. Sir, E Aditi.
First
E
digit,
Aditi,
sir.
later
First
J
one.
Mahavir.
Sir, we should do multiplication of first.
Sir, yes, sir.
First
A
name,
Yada.
what is name, what is secondly? Wait, Shivpranav, 1 second. I'll write the names first and later.
Sir, H Toshnika.
H Toshnika, okay.
Sir, G Yatharth.
G Yadharth, okay.
Sir,
Excuse
J
me, sir.
Srishti. Sir, J Srishti, I Srishti.
Wait, how can you take two numbers?
Because J is already over. Yes,
Sir, anyone take.
Because J is over, I took A.
Sir, then keep I. Sir,
Dhanyasri,
that's
take any
it.
other question. A is already over. Dhanyasri.
Sir, can I take B?
Who? Dhanyasri only.
Sir, can you
Yes,
start
sir.
sharing your screen?
Okay, B.
Sir, you can explain one sum, sir, afterwards.
Okay, next. Anyone takes C and F. 2 questions are remaining.
Sir, can I take? Sir, can I take?
No,
Sir,
no,
can I
no.
take?
New persons. Don't ask. I'm asking new persons. This is our
So
last
even F?
exercise today.
Sir, even F and C both are
C and
there.
F. Yep.
Sir, Ashwad.
Sir, Gohit.
Sir,
Who is
C
given
Sri
name?
Harsha.
Yes, sir. Please, yeah.
Okay, C.
Sir, we will only choose names, sir.
Sir, C Sri Harsha.
Rohit, you can also take one question.
Sir, F is the only one left.
But you can explain it last. Okay. I'm writing your name for F. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. After explaining all the questions, you can explain it in the last.
Okay, sir.
Right. We'll
Sir,
start
C
with
is left.
Shopra now. Ready? So what to do is, see, once again, I'm explaining.
Okay, sir.
So first multiply tens place digits. 9 ones are 9. After multiplying these two, add units place digit. 9 ones are 9 plus 7 is 16. And second half is very easy. Whatever may be the digits, simply by taking them.
Sir, you solved is sir, my question is 97 into 17. Sir, we have already solved.
Okay, Srishti. I'll give you a separate question because I already solved that question. I'm giving in place of I, I'm giving another question. And tell me anyone which is not there in this list.
So I'll take 19 into 23.
No.
That can't be done, sir.
So okay, then 19 into 11.
19 into 99.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
I think it is also over. No, not
Sir, how to do again like 19 into 19 again? Like that only you can solve.
same procedure. Okay,
Sir, can
Shobra
you
now, ready?
explain the second
Because time
part
of
of the
time.
procedure, sir, after we multiply the two tens digit numbers?
After we multiplying two tens digits numbers, we have to add units place digit.
Okay, sir.
That common number 4, 5, something will be there. You have to add that number. So that will give first half number. Second half is very easy. Simply units place digit multiplication. Shobra now, start.
Yes,
We'll make
sir.
it fast because it's already 4:58.
Sir, first we should do 3 into 7 is equals to 21 plus 8 is equals to 29.
Very good.
Sir, and 8 8s are 72. So
No.
2000.
No, 8 8s are how much?
Sorry,
Sir,
sir.
8 is
64. Okay, I am telling not only for Shobra now, I'm telling all of you, be perfect with the 9 tables, up to 9 tables. So if you know up to 9 tables perfect, then only big multiplications will be easy. Okay, up to 9 tables, you should be perfect. Minimum, na? That is very minimum. Then Dhanyasri.
Sir, I didn't understand Shiva Pranav.
Yes, sir.
answers what?
Sir, 2 and 8 on one side and 6 and 6 on one side. So first we should multiply 2 and 8.
I think now you got the why the name Sutra name comes like this. First by the first and last by the
Yes,
last.
sir.
So first half is giving first part, second half is giving second part. Yes or no? First we are
Yeah,
getting by
we
first
sh-
digits. So second we are getting by second digits.
Yeah,
Okay, carry on.
so now we should multiply 2 into 8, so we will get 16. Then we should add 16 with 6.
Okay.
22 we will get.
Okay.
So it is 22, and 16 to 6 is 36.
36. Very good. 2236. Then Sri Harsha, I think.
Yes, sir.
Carry on.
Sir, if we reverse the places 19 into 11, sir.
No.
Sir, can you say
Your
something?
question is 91 into 11. What is the tens place? It is a product.
Sir, 9, sir.
9. You have to add that. You have to add 1 to that. 9 plus 1 is
10.
10. First half is over. In the second half, 1 into 1 is
Sir, 1 into
1
1
only,
is 1.
but we have to make it a double digit. So it will be 0, 1. Okay. And nobody recollects this one. 91 into.
Sir, actually, we can actually do with the 11 technique.
Yeah, 11 technique we can do. So see, 9 as it is. Then 1 as it is. 9 plus 1 is 10.
1 as it is.
As
Sir,
10 is a double digit number, 1 0. Carry. So 1
Sir, 1
0,
0 1.
Can I do I, sir? Miss this one. 97 into 17.
Sir, can I do J first?
Sir, I will only do, sir.
Wait. Time is getting more. We'll make it fast. Ritvik N.
Yes, sir. Sir, we have all the requirements. So 5 into 5 is sir,
25.
5 and yes, sir, 25, and then if we add 9, it is 34, and 9 into 9 is 81, sir.
That's all. Very good. Aditi.
Yes, sir. Sir, we'll first multiply 6 and 4, which is 24. Then we'll take the common number and add it. So common number is 3. So 24 plus 3 is 27.
Okay.
So 3 3s is 9. It's only one digit, so we'll write 09.
Very good. Then go hit. We'll do it last. If you are comfortable, we'll do it now only.
Okay, sir. Sir, 2 8s are 16, sir, plus 4, the common number.
Very good.
Sir,
How
plus
much?
the common number, that is equals to 20.
Very good.
Sir,
Then?
then 4 into 4. 4 into 4, 16.
That's all. Over. So then, Edarth.
Sir, yes, sir.
Hmm.
8 plus 2, sir. Sorry. Sir, 8 2s are 16, sir, plus 8, sir, which is 24, sir.
Okay.
Then 8 8s are, sir, 64, sir.
64. That's all. Then Toshnika.
2000. Sir, can I? Okay, sir.
Yes. Okay, sir. So our sum is 26 into 80. 29 into 89. So 2 8 is 16.
Okay.
Plus the common number, which is 9. You get 25.
25.
And 9 9s are 81. And you're going to write it straight away. So that our answer is 25H1.
That's all. Srishti.
Sir, 9 1s are 9 and common number is 9. So we'll add 9 plus 9, which is equals to 18. And 9 9 is 81. So our answer is 1881.
Very good. Then Mahavir.
Yes, sir. Sir, the question is 64 multiplied by 44. Sir, first we'll do 6 multiplied by 4 plus 4, which is 28.
Okay.
Sir, then 4 multiplied by 4 is 16. So the answer is 2816.
Yes, very good. So I hope all of you are okay. All of you are feeling easy, right? Correct or not?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
They are these things are very easy to learn, and I'm telling very easy to forget. Yes or no?
I agree with
Yes,
that.
sir.
Easy to learn and easy to forget, but without forgetting what to do, It's a
Practice.
regular,
But we should
yeah, we need a
revise.
regular practice.
Sir,
Regular
practice, sir.
is required.
Practice.
Okay, for that practice purpose only, I'm uploading some homeworks also sometimes. Go through your Google Classroom. There will be some homework will be there, and I'll give homework based on these things also. Okay, right. We're leaving now. In the next class,
Bye, sir.
Okay,
base
sir.
model
Thank you,
multiplication,
sir. Bye, sir.
base
Thank
method.
you.
Query, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
The test results. Which results are you going to calculate, sir, together? Because first
Which
I
one?
wrote, the second time I didn't.
Sir, please do it together and give, sir, please.
No, sir,
Yes,
please.
sir.
Sir, I got
So,
it.
wait. Toshnika, tell me again. Tell me.
Sir, first I wrote the test, which was given to everyone, and I
Okay.
scored first rank. And then the second test, I didn't write it all because I wasn't absent. So
Okay,
which
no
test
issue.
is I going to calculate?
Whichever is best, we'll take that.
So okay, so my first rank is gonna remain, right, sir?
Suppose
Okay.
if you got 24 marks in first exam, 25 it will in the second exam will consider 20.
I didn't write the second exam, sir, because you
Okay,
said
then
as
it
mentioned.
will be this one is the best then. 24.
Oh.
Suppose if it is 0, then 24 is the best.
Okay.
Best of both.
Oh, okay, sir. And when are we gonna get the ranks published, sir, in the group?
Maybe it is the same test is done twice. So that's why I cannot make for this test I cannot make the overall list. From the next exam onwards, I'll make it. Okay.
And so, how in what intervals do we have this Vedic Maths exam, sir?
Maybe I'm planning for every week. Maybe this week it is not possible. From the next week onwards, every week I'll keep a put an exam.
Sir, we are
Possible
having
this
next
week
week
also.
exam. This
Okay,
week
sir.
Saturday.
If there is an exam on this Sunday, I'll keep a message.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Right. Bye.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Bye, sir. Have a nice day.
Bye.
Sir.
Bye, sir. Have a nice day.